The new Power BI tooltip experience, it's in preview, and it's also bringing more interactivity to your reports. Drill down and drill through are enabled when using it. Check it out. First things first, we need to go to options and settings. From there, we activate in a preview features the modern visual tooltips, as you guys can see here. And once we finish this, we need to scroll down and go to the report setting. There, we're going to have the use modern visual tooltips with drill actions. This needs to be activated also. From there, you go back, you click on your visual, check if your tooltip visual is also activated there, use the default, and voila. Now you can see that both drill options are activated in your tooltip, increasing the interactivity from your visual with these new capabilities and features that we now have activated for our Power BI tooltips.